Hello everyone, I am Ashwini. I am from Appidi Technologies Private Limited. My role is I am a senior manager in Appidi Technologies Private Limited in projects and engineering department. Actually, we deal with dehumidifiers. So we manufacture AHUCAM dehumidifier and standard dehumidifiers. So we have dehumidifiers and DOS systems and ACDs, that means engineering dehumidifiers. These are our products. We are from Hyderabad, Suchitra location. It's near to Jidimetla. Thank you.